Hi, hello. Yan, so today I'm gonna show you something that I will be trying. So technically speaking, ano to, the product review supposedly. So this is a portable sewing machine. So, this is a portable sewing machine. So, yung laman niya is just a few of the things that you will be needing together with the machine. So, yung mga a little of the needle and yun, may needle, tapos yung pang ano ng needle. Yan lang siya. Tapos, sinulid. That's just about it. And then, it has here, this one, the one that you use for your feet, I guess. I haven't read much about this stuff that I bought. Yeah. And the charger. So, I will be reading more of this because the last time that I sewn was way back in grade school. Yung ano siya, yung you just needed to do a project and I said I just let it slip and have someone else do it for me. Hindi ko siya nagustuhan. So I'll be trying how to do it. So I could actually sew my own clothes kasi masyadong malalaki yung mga damit ko. Yan. So I will just be reading the inclusion of how you're supposed to use it. If I don't understand, then I'll Google it or check it out on YouTube. Alright, so there. So I'll get back with you guys how it actually worked. See ya! Alright, so it's already set up. The charger is, the foot pedal is attached to this one. So here it is. So, I tried it without the foot pedal earlier. It still works, kaya lang dire-diretso yung pagtatahi niya. And then the charger is connected to, syempre, sa saksakan. You can also have batteries right below here. If you're going to bring it somewhere and you don't have electricity, that would work too. So, very nice. I think this is a nice product. Ito, nakakabit na lahat nung kailangan. It's already attached when I received it. But it's very easy to use. So you just put it up if say for example, this is the cloth that you will be using. You just place it here and then turn this up. Mo lang siya, ibaba mo lang siya from this part going there, and then you use your foot, you turn it on this side, the one that says on, and then there you go. You can actually start sewing. Yan, so so that's just about it. And with this one, yun lang naman siya, very easy, and it works out really fine. Yan, diretso naman siya. So there, that's just about it, sweethearts, on our product review. And we'll be making a lot more of repairs on clothes using this portable machine. Yeah, so there you have it. Bye now.